All right, welcome back to Ohio Shaves. Today I'm going to go over the pretty basic things of shaving using a cartridge razor and putting it up against a safety razor. Now, I do have 7 days of growth. I have thick, coarse hair, so there's a couple ways you can tackle this. A lot of people would go right for the OneBlade. I don't blame you because using a cartridge razor here, it's going to struggle and it's going to start pulling on those hairs because it's way too much growth. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in, do it how most people would do it. Pretty good. Still stubble there, but it's good. Now, if I go down on my neck, I can probably go with the grain. See how it's struggling down here? That's where it's thick, where it's coarse. Now I could sit here and spend 5 minutes and clean that up, but I'm gonna leave some for the cartridge razor. Now this is close, but if I do my entire neck, I'm gonna get ingrown hairs, I'm gonna have some razor bumps, and trust me, it's happened before. So I'm gonna switch to this. So now I'm just gonna do it as I do it. A lot of people would just go right in and put some, some gel or shaving cream in a can. I'm actually gonna give this the shot it deserves. And I'm gonna put it up against one of my favorite safety razors. Now I'm gonna use a shaving brush. Now when I first got started, I'm like, okay, I didn't buy the brush, I didn't buy a fancy soap, and I was missing out on the whole experience of wet shaving. Now, wet shaving is any way that you shave if your face is wet. It's not just using a safety razor. A lot of people when you put that in comments, I know what you're trying to say. I'm gonna go in with one of Ariana and Evans shaving soaps here. Now, I just have a synthetic brush here, and I just went down and got it wet. I'm just gonna put it in here. Now I'd like to put it on dry. I'm gonna go over here too because I'm gonna shave with that cartridge razor. I'm gonna go down, just put the tips in like 1/8 of an inch, right? Now I'm gonna break the backbone and I'm gonna start creating a lather. Now doing this over, your Barbasol, your Gillette shaving gels or creams, this is gonna help exfoliate your skin, help lift up all your hairs and prepare them to shave. So whatever method you're using here out of these last two, this is a huge benefit. Trust me. I didn't realize this till I started doing videos on this, and man, is it huge. I have friends that still shave with, cartridge razors, but I've given them a shaving brush and some cream and they're like, damn dude, that really works. Yes, it does. Trust me, I'm not leading you the wrong way here. Timeless slant. I've got one shave on this. This is one of my absolute favorites. This one's back in stock. These things fly off the shelves because they're so freaking good. Trust me, pick this one up. You will not regret it. All right. Now you would think, because this only has one blade in it, right? You would think it's not as sharp as a razor with 3 blades. Well, that's not the truth. It's sharper. Okay. But don't forget, I knocked that down with the Phillips OneBlade. Now, I know the direction of the hairs on my face, which way it grows, because your hair's going to grow different ways, so you need to map your face, which I have. So I have a little bit of an advantage over a cartridge razor. Let me finish up down here. I'm going to shave the same way with this one. Now don't forget, every pass or stroke I make with this one, it would be 3 passes with a double-edged blade. Because there's only 1 blade in here. There's 3 on here. So keep that in mind. All right, I'm going to detail, well, let me go up here. These are hard to detail with. I like to shave under my nose. I don't like that hair joining up on my nose hairs. I think it's nasty. See where I struggle with that? Now they do have that top blade. It doesn't do shit. So I'll get it as much as I can. You can see the blade chatter. See my skin vibrating? All right, we'll stop there with that one. Let's switch back to the timeless. I'm actually going to cut that in. Get that where I want it. Okay, that's good. The blades, that's what I don't like about these. It holds all the hair in it, in the blade. Finally got it. Okay. Now, a lot of guys might stop there. They're like, okay, that's good. No, that's not good. Even for the timeless razor, that's not good enough for me. So I go in for a second pass. Some guys like to go in for 3 passes. They go against the grain. They go with the grain. I don't strive to get BBS, baby butt smooth. I just want a clean shave. I used to go for it, and I used to cut myself all the time. Now, I can't say this. There is some irritation over here. Can honestly say that. I can feel that just on that pass. Let me go in and grab some more soap here. I'm gonna build this back up again. Now, the Phillips OneBlade, you can only get it so close. That's why I'm using the cartridge razor, because it's not close enough for me, and I think you would totally agree with me. All right, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to do my regiment with the timeless slant. Oh, yeah. So using a safety razor, the blades aren't proprietary, right? You can use, there's hundreds of different double-edged razor blades you can use. A lot of guys don't know that. There's a ton out there. I mean, a ton out there. All right, so I got that pass done. We're good. Do the same thing over here. Ooh, taking one for the team here. I'm gonna go against the grain. Yeah, I'm not gonna go at it hard, because if I do, I'm going to get an ingrown hair. Let me just let me hit it once with this because I don't want this shave to be uneven. I'm going to church. There we go. All right, that's good. All right, now finish this shave up. That there. I switched to cold water and happy Easter to everyone. Make sure my sideburns are lined up correctly, and they're not. See, that's one thing you can get perfect with your safety razor. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay. So now what I do is I go in with a alum block. What this is going to do is help prepare your face for some witch hazel and for an aftershave. Oh yeah, quite a bit of tingling down here. I already knew that. Nothing up here. Nothing. Yeah, nothing down there either. Just right in here. You could see where it was skipping. And yeah, and a little bit right here too. I'm not going to lie. A little bit right there. On this side, absolutely no tingling. And I got that with OneBlade. I mean, everyone's trying to save a little bit of money now. The best way to save money is in your shaving products. You spend $100, $200, whatever you spend a year, you spend that on a safety razor, some shaving cream, a shaving brush, and some Thayers, and some aftershave. Forget about it. You're gonna be set for years. Trust me, years. All right. Now that I got that off my face, I go in with Thayers. If anything, if you don't use any of these products I'm showing you, buy this stuff today. Trust me. All these links are listed below. This stuff is #1 rated by dermatologists all around the world, and you can get it everywhere. All right. Goes on so wet. It's so refreshing. I'm telling you, refreshing. Now, I'm going to wear some cologne, so I don't want a aftershave that's going to hang around. I want my cologne to be, the showcase of my scent. So I'm going to go in with Nivea. This is made for sensitive skin. It hangs for about 20 minutes and then it dissipates. But I want it to help repair my face even more on top of that Thayers. And when you put it on after the Thayers, it just melts right into your face evenly. And then in about 20 minutes, you can see how my face is a little red, right? Just from running a razor across my face. It doesn't matter which one you use. In about 20 minutes, it's going to subside. You're going to feel your face. If you put it on your head, if you're a bald guy, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, my face is silky smooth. And that's what we're shooting for today, folks, is a silky smooth shave. Now, I think I proved the point here. Using these two razors, they're good, but you gotta use two of them. Now, I'm not saying you have to buy this one by Titaner. I mean, this is a fancy titanium one, but hey, I know guys that buy them because they are very, very nice. But you can see I didn't get the best shave. It takes two products. Now, you go in with your timeless razor. This one I think is $65, $70. You go in and buy this razor and you're going to get a better shave. I got to tell you what, this taking down that much growth, that's why I like to show that on my channel, how the different steps I had to take with a cartridge razor to shave with it compared to just a traditional safety razor. Now this razor's only been out for a couple of years now, and it's made in the United States by one of the best manufacturers out there. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys down the road. Have a great week.